Are you someone who frequently relies on Google for finding information, facts, or satisfying your curiosity? Were you aware that you can actually make up to $15 per minute by simply using Google for searches? In this video, we'll guide you through a detailed process on how you can generate income through Google searches. This approach is applicable globally, and it's accessible to everyone, including those who are new to this. You won't require any specialized skills or degrees. All that's needed is a device with internet connectivity. Make sure to stick around until the conclusion of the video to discover the ins and outs of earning money on Google.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
To begin, the initial step involves visiting google.com. While we're familiar with Google and its functionalities, today I'll demonstrate how you can earn money by searching for various businesses like e-commerce, digital marketing, and more. Importantly, you won't be required to sell anything to these businesses. Instead, your task is to search for specific types of businesses, such as digital marketing agencies, e-commerce agencies, and digital marketing companies. Remarkably, you can potentially earn up to $15 for every minute you dedicate to searching for these businesses on Google. Now, moving on to the second step, let's explore a new tool that can generate income for you through Google searches. Remarkably, you stand to earn $10 for each individual who opts for the free trial of this tool using your referral link. Furthermore, if these individuals decide to purchase the premium subscription, you'll receive an additional $200 in commission, alongside the initial $10 sign-up referral commission. It's important to note that whether or not they proceed with the premium subscription, you still secure the $10 sign-up commission for every referred person. Consider the potential. Imagine having just 10 people daily signing up for the free trial through your referral link, resulting in a substantial daily earnings of $100. Scale it to 30 people daily, and you could be making $300 each day. Over a month, this translates to an impressive $9,000. The tool in question is semrush.com, specializing in Google website SEO and rankings. Semrush facilitates the growth of organic traffic through its comprehensive SEO tools, aids in content creation for improved website ranking on Google, and allows you to analyze and implement your competitors' marketing strategies. I recommend visiting semrush.com to gain a deeper understanding of this tool.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
To become a part of the Semrush affiliate program, start by clicking the Apply Now button. This action will direct you to the next page, where you should proceed by clicking on the Sign Up button. On the subsequent page, you'll encounter the SEMrush contract terms. Notably, even if individuals register using your referral link without signing up for the free trial, you still receive 1 cent per registration on SEMrush. However, the real focus is on substantial earnings. As you scroll down, you'll discover that you earn $10 for each free trial that your referrals sign up for. Additionally, if your referrals decide to purchase a premium plan, you receive $200 per sign-up for premium plans. Continue scrolling, review the terms of service, and click Accept. On the next page, sign in using your Gmail or Facebook account. Following this, provide your name and mobile phone number, check both terms and conditions boxes, and click Get Started. After receiving a verification code on your phone, enter it in the designated box and proceed. You'll then be prompted to select your primary business model, choosing the option that aligns with your business or opting for the creator option if you don't have a business model yet. Next, choose the method for promoting SEMrush, and you can easily use the Add Socials option, as it is the most straightforward way to gain acceptance into the SEMrush affiliate program. Now add your social account, specifically an Instagram account that you've grown to over 1,000 followers within a week, as outlined in the giveaway video. Connect this Instagram account to the SEMrush affiliate program, which will direct you to the Facebook login, as they only accept Instagram accounts connected to Facebook pages. Upon completing these steps and finalizing your registration for this SEMrush affiliate program, your application will undergo review. Typically, within 6 to 7 days, you will likely be accepted into their affiliate program, and you'll receive your affiliate link, resembling something like this. Now for the third step, return to Google once again. As a reminder, we left the Google tab after searching for digital marketing agencies. This time, be specific about the location you are searching for. For instance, you can search for digital marketing agencies in New York or California, or any location worldwide, and still obtain search results specific to that location. Choose a location with potential clients likely to purchase premium plans on SEMrush. For this video's purpose, let's search for digital marketing agencies in New York. Upon searching, you'll notice 3 to 4 sponsored ads in the results. These businesses are investing in Google to secure top-ranking positions organically. You can now present the SEMrush tool to these agency owners, with a high likelihood that they might consider purchasing the SEMrush Premium plan if they haven't already. If they make a purchase, you'll earn $200 plus the initial $10, totaling $210 for just a minute of Google searching. Your next task is to open these websites in new tabs and extract their contact email addresses. Navigate through the websites, locating the contact mail ID or any hidden contact information. Collect the email addresses of agencies ranked sponsored ads and those ranking well organically. Additionally, you can change the location to find digital marketing agencies in places like California, Las Vegas, and more, expanding your reach to different agencies worldwide. Once you've gathered at least 50 email addresses, proceed to the 4th step. To send emails to these agencies, go to your Gmail account and click Compose. Paste the agency's email ID at the top and switch over to ChatGPT to instruct it with a command like write 5 email copies promoting SEMrush to digital marketing agencies. Upon pressing enter, ChatGPT will generate 5 email subjects and copies that you can use. Copy the subject and email text from ChatGPT and paste them into the respective fields in your Gmail. Replace the placeholder agency name with the actual agency name and include a call to action in the email, such as take your free trial today. Utilize the insert link icon to add your SEMrush affiliate link, ensuring it's also included at the end of the email. This way, when agency owners click the call to action, sign up for the free trial, or make a premium plan purchase, you earn $10 or $200, respectively, with minimal effort. Your goal now is to collect as many email addresses from these digital marketing agencies as possible.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.